How to fix 100% disk usage in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the 100% disk usage in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is just right click on your taskbar and then go with the task manager. Once you're under the task manager, you need to go with disk option, which will be right here. And here you can simply see which process or which system is using more disk usage. So once you've done seeing that, now what you need to do is just go with the first solution, which is you need to open up your settings and go with the Windows update, which is here on the left side. And make sure if you have any updates, then just go and update. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution, which is restarting your PC. Restarting your PC sometimes can work wonders. And to restart your PC, you can simply press the Windows button and go with the power and then go with restart. Once you've restarted, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your run services, or you can simply go with the search, and under search, you need to search for services. And under services, you need to search for sysmain. And under sysmain, you need to right click on it and then go with properties and go with the startup type. And under startup type, you need to go with disable, which I've already chosen, and then go with apply and go with OK. Once you've done that, now you need to again right click on it and then stop the service. Once you stop the service, now you need to go with the connected devices platform service. Simply press on any service and then go with C, type C on your keyboard, and here you will have connected devices platform service. And here also you need to right click on it and go with properties and go with disabled, click on apply and then OK, and again go with right click and then stop the service. Now close the window and move on to the next solution, which is you need to reduce the startup apps. To do that, you need to right click on your task bar and then go with task manager. And under your task manager, here you will have startup apps on the left side. Simply click on the startup apps and you need to disable all of the startup apps right here, which I've already done. So once you've done your startup apps disabled, now your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you just need to simply go with the next solution, which is you need to search for disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup, and here you need to choose the disk that you would like to clean and go with OK, and it will calculate. And after that, you need to choose the temporary files. So make sure to uncheck other files and go with the temporary files. Once you go with the temporary files, you need to go with OK and delete files, and it will start deleting your temporary files or unnecessary files. And after the cleanup is completed, then your problem will be fixed. You need to restart your device and that's it. That's how you can fix your 100% disk usage in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.